A master bathroom with all the luxuries of a spa, tech tricking out every corner, and a closet fit for a fashionista. Sign me up. The giant walk-in shower is covered in this fun plaid tile. Showering in here is no joke, with customizable body sprays, a body stick, and a massive rain shower head that is built right into the ceiling. There's even a flat screen TV in here. Double vanities are topped with mirrors that look like giant tablets. And that's because they kinda are. You can get your weather and news while you're brushing your teeth. For those who need their caffeine fix as soon as they wake up, this bathroom has you covered with a hidden coffee bar that comes up right out of the countertop. Just off this bathroom is the closet, and boy, did I have some fun in here. There's a custom cabinet that lets you store, view, and select your shoes with a touch of a button. And of course, there's also plenty of open shelves, hanging space, and a two-sided laundry cabinet that backs up to, you guessed it, the laundry room. I am telling you, this is the kind of master bath that you can go in and may never want to come back out.